Morning students, my name is Gopinath. Today we will discuss about operators and control statements in Java. First we can discuss what is operator. So operators are special symbols or characters that can be used to perform operations on operands. So operators are the special symbols that are used to perform the operations on operands. So here for example, consider plus is an operator. So plus is an operator. It will perform add operation on two operands. For example, consider A is one operand and B is another operand. So we can perform addition operation using plus symbol. So the plus symbol is an additional operator that is used to perform addition operations on two operands A and B. So here we have the different types of operators we have in Java. So what are the operators we have in Java? First one, assignment operator. The second one, arithmetic operators. Third one, unary operators. Fourth one, equality and relational operators. Next one, logical operators. The next one, bitwise operators, and the last one, ternary operators. So in Java we have different types of operators: assignment operator, arithmetic operator, unary operator, equality and relational operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, and the ternary operator. Now we can see one by one. The first one, assignment operator. The first one is the assignment operator. So we have the different types of assignment operators: equal to, plus equal to, minus equal to, multiplication equal to, modulus equal to, percentage equal to, less than equal to, left and equal to, bitwise exclusive or equal to, bitwise inclusive or equal to. We have the different types of assignment operator. In that one, first one, equal to operator. So the equal to is operator is the simple assignment operator. That means we can simply move a value into the variable. For example, C equal to A plus B. So the value of A plus B is moved to the C using the equal to operator. So equal to operator is used to assign a value into a variable C. Second operator is the plus equal to operator. So that is called add and assignment operator. So plus equal to operator is called add and assignment operators. For example, C plus equal to A. So this is also write as C equal to C plus A. So C plus equal to A is also write as C equal to C plus A. So that means the addition of C plus A value is moved to the C. So that is the plus equal to operator. Next one, minus equal to operator. That means subtract and assignment operator. So for example, C minus equal to A. So this is written as C equal to C minus A. So the C minus A value is assigned to the C variable. So in this way we can perform all these assignment operators. Now we can see one example for this assignment operators. So example, consider we can take one class operator example. So we can write a main method, public static void main method. Consider a variable int a equal to 10. So int is the data type, a is the variable name, 10 is the value. So int a equal to 10. Here we can use the plus equal to. Plus equal to means addition, add and assignment operator. So a plus equal to 3. So this can be written as a equal to a plus 3. Already the value of a is 10. So that equal to 10 plus 3 equal to 13. So the system dot out dot println a, this prints the value of 13. Next one, a minus equal to 4 operator. What is minus 4? Subtract and assignment operator. So that is a minus equal to 4. That can be written as a equal to a minus 4. Already the value of a is 13. So that equal to 13 minus 4 equal to 9. So here the value of a is 9. Similarly, next operator, a star equal to 2, that is a multiply and assignment operator. So a multiply assignment operator. So this can be written as a equal to a into 2. Already the a value is 9. 9 into 2 equal to 18. So after this statement, system dot out dot println prints the value of 18. Similarly, a division equal to 2, that means a division and assignment operator. So that can be written as a equal to a division 2. Already the value of a is 18. So 18 by 2 equal to 9. So this will print the value a. So in this way we can perform assignment operators in Java. So initially the value of a is 10. After performing the addition operation, the value of a is 13. Next we can perform the subtraction operation. After that the value is 9. Next we can perform the multiplication operator. After that the value is 18. Next one we can perform the division operator. After that the value is 9. So in this way we can perform the assignment operators. Next operator is arithmetic operators. So arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations. What are the arithmetic operators? We have addition operator, subtraction operator, multiplication operator, division operator and modulus operator. So these are the arithmetic operators. For example, a equal to b plus c. That means the plus operator is applied on the two operands b and c. After that the value is moved to a. So we can perform the arithmetic operations using the arithmetic operators. You can see the example. So consider the example for this arithmetic operator is, consider the class name arithmetic operator ex and the main method. Here you can consider different numbers. Number 1 equal to, we can consider 12.5. So that means the 12.5 value is assigned to the number 1. Similarly, the data type is the double. Next, number 2 equal to 3.5. That means the 3.5 value is assigned to number 2. Data type is also the double. Next, we can consider another variable result. So here we can perform the arithmetic operations. So what are the arithmetic operations? We have plus, subtraction, minus, next to multiplication, star and division, slash and modulus. So percentage operator. So first you can see result equal to number 1 plus number 2. So what is the value of number 1? 12.5. Next, what is the value of number 2? 3.5. We are performing the addition operator. So plus. So now we got the result. The value is moved to the result. So now we can print the result using system.out.println statement. So the output for this is number 1 plus number 2 equal to, what is the result value? 12.5 plus 3.5, that is 16 value. So in this way we got the print number 1 plus number 2 equal to 16.5. Similarly, we can perform the subtraction operation. So subtraction operator, so that is the minus. Subtraction operator is the minus. So the statement result equal to number 1 minus number 2. What is the number 1 value? 12.5 minus, and what is the number 2 value? 3.5. So 12.5 minus 3.5 equal to 9. That value is moved to the result. After this statement, we can print number 1 minus number 2 equal to result. What is the result value? 9. So the output for this statement is number 1 minus number 2 equal to 9. So similarly, we can perform multiplication operator, similarly division operator, and the last one modulus operator. So this is the arithmetic operators. Next one, we have the unary operators. So unary operators are used to perform operations on only one operand. So generally we have the different types of operators: unary operators, binary operators. So unary operators are applied only on the single operand. The binary operators are applied on the two operands. Already we see arithmetic operators are the binary operators that are applied on the two operands. Now the unary operators are applied only on the one operand. So what are the unary operators? We have plus, that means unary plus operator. Next, minus, unary minus operator. Plus is the increment operator. Minus is the decrement operator. The last one is the logical complement operator. So the unary operators are unary plus, unary minus, increment operator, decrement operator, and logical complement operator. So for example, consider the increment operators. So the increment operators have the two types: pre-increment and the post-increment. Similarly, the minus. The decrement operators are also have the two types, that is the post-decrement operator as well as the pre-decrement operator. Now we can see one example for this unary operators. So consider this program. Here the class name is the unary operator UX, and we can write the main program. Again we can consider the number variable. So the value of number is 5.2, and we can consider another variable result number, that is also of data type double, and we can also consider another variable boolean variable, that is the flag. Initially the value of the flag variable is false. So now we can apply the unary operators. Already we know the unary operators are applied only on the single operand. That's why we can take only one operand, that is number. So for example, system.out.println plus number equal to plus number. So before the value of 5.2 we can put plus. So plus 5.2 is also equal to 5.2. So the output of the statement is plus number equal to 5.2. Next statement, system dot out dot println minus number equal to minus number. Already the value of number is 5.2. We can put minus before the 5.2. So that means minus 5.2 output will be displayed. So minus number equal to, the output is minus 5.2. Similarly, the next statement is the plus number. Already we know what is the plus is the increment operator. So here we have the two types, pre-increment operator and the post-increment operator. So plus I is the pre-increment operator, I plus is the post-increment operator. I plus I is also written as I equal to I plus 1. So I equal to I plus 1. So here we can use the pre-increment operator. So plus number. What is the value of number? 5.2. So 5.2 is incremented by 1. So the plus number output is 6.2. Similarly, we can the next statement, system dot out dot println number equal to minus number. So this is also the pre-decrement operator. So minus number is the 5.2. So now already number value is the 6.2. So we got the output 5.2. Next last one, flag value is the false. So here we are using the complement operator. So complement of flag and complement of false equal to true. So the last step and display the true. So the output is 5.2 minus 5.2, 6.2, 5.2, and the last one is the true. So this is the how we can apply the unary operators on the operands. Next operators are equality and relational operators. These operators are used to determine the relation between the two operands. So the output of these operators is either true or false. So the equality and relational operators are used to determine the relation between two operands. The output of the relational and equality operators is either true or false. What are the equality and relational operators we have in Java? So the relation equal to operator, not equal to operator, greater than operator, less than operator, greater than or equal to operator, less than or equal to operator. Consider two operands A and B. Now we can apply the greater than operator. For example, A greater than B. So the output of the A greater than B either true or false. For example, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. So the result is 10 greater than 20. So the 10 greater than 20 is true or false. So 10 greater than 20 is the false. So we got the result is false. So in this way the relational operators are provided to perform the comparison between the two operands. Now we can see one program for the relational operators. So this is the small program for the relational operators. Consider our class name relational operator EX and the main program. We are taking the two variables, two operands. Number 1 equal to 5, number 2 equal to 6. So now we are performing the comparison. So if number 1 greater than number 2, what is the value of number 1? 5. What is the value of number 2? 6. 5 greater than 6. 5 greater than 6 means the result is the false. So if false, it will execute the else part. So we got. That means the system dot out dot println number 2 is greater than the number 1. Already we know number 2 is the 6 and number 1 is the 5. Number 2 is greater than the number 1. So after executing this program, the output of this program is number 2 is greater than the number 1. So consider another example. Suppose number 1 equal to 20, number 2 equal to 5. Here according to number 1 the value is 20, number 2 value is the 5. 20 greater than 5, the result is the true. Whenever the result is true, the if execute the if block. That means we got the output number 1 is greater than number 2. So this is the example for the relational operators. Next one is the logical operators. We have the 3 logical operators. One is the logical AND operator, second one is the logical OR operator, third one is the logical NOT operator. So whenever we apply the logical AND operator, we can follow a statement. If both the operands are true, then the condition becomes true. Next, for the second operator, logical operator OR. So we can follow a statement. If any one of the 2 operands are true, then the condition becomes true. Next, third one, logical NOT operator. So it will reverse the value of the previous operand. So previous operand value is, suppose previous operand true, then the output of the logical NOT operator is false. So here we have the 3 logical operators: logical AND operator, logical OR operator, and logical NOT operator. Now we can see one program for the logical operators. Consider the class name logical operator EX and the main method static void main. Now we can consider the 2 operands. Number 1 equal to 1, number 2 equal to 2, number 3 equal to 9. So we have the 3 operands and we can take one boolean value result. Now we can check number 1 greater than number 2. What is the value of number 1? 1. And what is the value of number 2? 2. 1 greater than 2. So for this the result is 1 greater than 2. That means apply the relational operators. So 1 greater than 2 is means false. So we got the output of false here. False. Next, similarly, number 3 greater than number 1. What is the value of number 3? Number 3 value is the 9 and the number 1 value is the 1. 9 greater than 1. So 9 greater than 1 is the true. So it will display the output true. Now the result of the number 1 greater than number 2 is the false. The result of the number 3 greater than number 1 is the true. Now we are applying the logical OR operator. The logical operator statement is if any one of the operand is true, the output is the true. Here first number 1 greater than number 2 result is the false. Next number 3 greater than number 1 result is the true. False true means the false logical OR operator and true. The output is true. So the result value is true. So similarly, next we can see result equal to number 1 greater than number 2 and number 3 greater than number 1. So what is the value of number 1? 1. What is the value of number 2? 1 greater than 2. It will return false. Similarly, number 3 value 9, number 1 value 1, 9 greater than 1, it will return true. Now we are applying the logical AND operator. The purpose is when both operands are true, the output is true. Any one of the operand is false, the output is the false. So here first operand is the false. So false, logical AND operator true. So it will return value false. So the system.out.println result print the false. So first we got the output of the true, next we got the output is the false. So in this way we can perform the logical operators. Next operators are the bitwise operators. So bitwise operators are used to perform bit by bit operations. So we can perform bit by bit operations. We have the several bitwise operators. One is the bitwise AND operator, bitwise OR operator, bitwise XOR operator, bitwise complement operator, left shift operator, shift right operator, zero fill shift right operator. So we have the different bitwise operators. Now we can see a small program for the bitwise operators. So consider two variables. Variable A equal to 60. That means A equal to 60. Next, variable B value equal to 13. So B equal to 13. So A value is 60 and B value equal to 30. So the bitwise operators are applied on the bit by bit. So that means the A value and B value is converted into the binary values. So A equal to 60. When the 60 is converted into the binary, the result is 4100. So put two zeros before. That means we can consider 8-bit value. Similarly, the value of B is 1101. So convert into 8-bit. So we can convert into 4 zeros. So after converting the 60 value into binary, A equal to 00111100. The 13 value is converted into the binary. So B value equal to 4 zeros and 1101. Now we can see one example, bitwise AND operator. So bitwise AND operator means we can perform the AND operation or bit by bit. So 0 and 1. What is the result? 0. 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. After performing the bitwise AND operation, the result is 4 zeros 1100. So in this way we can perform bit by bit operations. Next we can see the next one, bitwise OR operation. So bitwise OR operation means 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 0. The output after bitwise OR operation is 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 1. So in this way we can perform all these operations. So the bitwise operators are used to apply bit by bit operations. Next one, the last operator is the ternary operator. The ternary operator is also called as the conditional operator. So the syntax of the ternary or conditional operator is variable equal to expression 1 question mark, expression 1 colon, expression 2. That means if the expression 1 is true, then expression 1 is moved to variable. If the expression is false, then expression 2 is assigned to variable. So when the expression is true, we can evaluate expression 1. When the expression is false, we can evaluate the expression 2. So we can see a small program for the ternary operators. So consider example. So consider a variable February days equal to 29. To store the result, we can take the string result. So result equal to February days equal to 28. This is the expression. Next, not a leap year, expression 1. Next, leap year, expression 2. So when the expression 1 is true, then we can evaluate the expression 1. When the expression is false, we evaluate the expression 2. So according to our variable, February days equal to 29. But here you can take February days equal to 28. So here the expression returns false. So whenever the expression returns false, we can evaluate the expression 2. That means the expression 2 value is moved to the result. So the output for this program is we got false. Sorry, we got leap year. So this is the ternary operator or conditional operator. So these are the different types of operators we have in Java. So totally remember what is operator, what is operators. Operators are used to perform the some operations on the operands. We have the different types of operators: assignment, arithmetic, unary, equality and relational, logical operator, bitwise operator and ternary operator. So thank you for this session. Okay, next session we will discuss about the control statements.